Today is my first ever harvest, and I want to share with you guys as to why I'm so proud of it. Think about a time in your life where you accomplished something. It doesn't matter how big or small it is, all the time, effort, and hard work that you put into it, and how it made you feel when you finally succeeded. I want you to leave a comment below and share with me on what that accomplishment was. This right here is the achievement for me. Now, some might say it's just a cucumber or you can buy it in the store, but this is a result of my hard work, my effort, my patience, and I'm rewarded with this beautiful cucumber. And I just want to share with you guys and how it makes me feel. So when I first decided to start gardening, I didn't know anything. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I just watched other people and see how they did it. I just try copying it, This one moment right here is what makes it all worth it. This is my success story. This is the best feeling ever. I can't explain how happy it makes me feel. Now, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you sticking around and sharing this special moment with me. If you'd like to see more content like this, please leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully we can continue gardening together. Take it easy.